I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by searching the exact article title or a clear author string in Google Scholar. This reduces false hits. Once you see the correct entry, click the small quotation mark icon under the result to open citation options. You choose Harvard from the displayed list when it appears. If Harvard is not listed, import into BibTX and convert using your reference manager. This first step ensures you capture the article's metadata accurately before moving to formatting and verification. Once you have the raw Harvard output, you must verify each field against the article itself. Author names, year, title, journal, volume, and page ranges must match. Make sure to edit author names to initials and surname order where required, and correct title capitalization to sentence case if your Harvard guide demands it. Also adjust punctuation and italics for the journal title and check page ranges. These small fixes prevent grading penalties and ensure your reference is academically sound. You now paste the corrected Harvard reference into your bibliography and alphabetize it by the first author's surname. Once done, make sure each in-text citation corresponds exactly to the author and year you used in the reference list, adding page numbers for direct quotes. If something looks wrong, troubleshoot by opening the original PDF or publisher record to confirm metadata, then return to Google Scholar or your reference manager to adjust fields. This closes the loop on accuracy and prevents citation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.